In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an object from a Microsoft Word file as a picture on your computer. This can be especially handy if you need an image from a document for another presentation, social media, or just to have as a separate file. Let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll want to open up your Microsoft Word file where your desired object or image is located. It's essential to have the document ready and visible on your screen because that is where we'll be starting this process. Once you have the file open, navigate to the section of your document that contains the object or image you want to save. Next, you need to select the object or image. You can do this by clicking on it. If you're dealing with multiple objects, simply drag your mouse over the objects to highlight them all at once. In our example, we're focusing specifically on an online picture that we want to save. This highlights just how flexible this method is for various types of content. Once you've selected the object or image, it's time to copy it. To do this, simply press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. This action will copy the selection to your clipboard. Afterward, you'll want to create a new Word document to work in. You can quickly open a new document in Word by typing Ctrl+N. You're effectively giving yourself a clean slate to paste your image into. Once you're in the new document, head over to the Home tab in the very upper left corner of your toolbar. Click on the Paste option there, but instead of a regular paste, we want to do something a little more special. Choose Paste Special from the menu. This will open a dialog box with different format options. Now, in this dialog box, you will see several image format options such as PNG, JPEG, and SVG. For today's purposes, let's select JPEG as the format and then click OK. This ensures your image is pasted in a format that is widely compatible and maintains great quality for most uses. At this point, the picture is now embedded within your new document. To save it as a separate image file, right-click on the image itself within the document. In the context menu that appears, you should see an option that says Save as Picture. Select this option and a Save dialog will appear. Finally, choose the location where you want to save your image on your computer. After choosing the desired folder, simply hit Save. And there you have it. You've successfully saved an image from a Word document onto your computer as a standalone picture file. That's all there is to it. You've completed the process, and now you can use this image wherever you need it without having to go back to the original Word document. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Thanks for watching.